Hi, Crafty Angels. Nessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with my project share from Mrs. Gigi's live today, August 4th, 2021. And we did a prompt game and we did 2 rounds of it. So these are my cards and I'm going to tell you which one's which. Okay. So for round 1, we had brunch, punch, orange, word, doily, paper, solid color, and circles. So here's my grunge. I use washi tape for the grunge. Okay. Then for the punch, I have a circle here. And I used my hole punch, my paper hole punch, to punch holes. Okay. For the orange color, I used an owl that I got off of the internet. For my word, I used friends. For the doily, here's my doily. Solid paper, a solid color. I use this. It's a strawberry, what they call it, notepad that I just cut part of the paper off. Okay. The last one is circles. I also use this as my punch. Okay. Then I put circles everywhere on here. Okay, so that's number 1. So for round 2, we had brown, we had dots, scribbles, yellow, glitter, hearts, and red. So for the first one, the brown, I used Tim Holtz crayons and did the 2 different brown colors in the background. And then I used a Crafter Square paint pen to do all the little dots on here. And then for scribbling, I connected all my dots. For the yellow, this is from Tsunami Rose. I used the little girl because she had yellow in her dress and she's holding something yellow. Then for glitter, I used my stickles and put some glitter glue everywhere. Then I drew hearts. Then I colored them red, and I also used red in the little girl here. Okay, so that's my 2 iCat cards for today, August 4th, 2021. And it was on Mrs. Gigi's channel, which is Mrs. Gigi Wednesday Friends Day. And I will try to link the video down in the comment section so you can all go over and watch it and subscribe to her channel. I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, bye-bye for now.